Hello gamers, in this video let's see how to fix to obtain the 70 suit armor in Stalker 2. Follow this detailed guide. Here's a step-by-step solution to go through. Location overview. The 70 suit is one of the best early game armors located in the cement factory region, specifically at a site known as the Cage. Here's how to get there. Exit the Lesser Zone. Complete the Beyond 7 Seals mission to unlock access to the northern checkpoint. Use the key obtained from this mission to open the checkpoint door. Travel north or southeast. You can head north from Zalisa using the checkpoint key or take the southeastern exit from the Lesser Zone, though the latter route is longer. Crossing anomalies. At the northern checkpoint, throw a bolt through a window to dispel any anomalies and cross a broken bridge into the garbage region. Reaching the cage from the broken bridge, navigate northeast towards the cage, which is identifiable by its large, angular structure and an altar-like feature on top. It's about 1.5 kilometers away and should take around 5 minutes to reach without stamina buffs. Climbing the cage. Once you arrive at the cage, you will need to perform some platforming to reach the suit. Start at ground level. Take the staircase up from the ground floor. Navigate beams and ladders. At the top of the stairs, turn north and use beams to cross to another set of stairs. Ascend these stairs and look for ladders behind. A wall to your south. Carefully traverse beams towards these ladders and climb up. Final ascent. Continue climbing and jumping on boxes until you reach the top level where the 70 suit is located. That's it for today's guide. Hopefully, one of these solutions helped you.